Wait, did someone just say free crypto? Yes. Just imagine being part of a fast, secure, and rewarding crypto exchange where you can share in a massive $10,000 base token giveaway. Does it sound so good to be true? Well, it is real and you can be part of it. I want to welcome you to the Bittap exchange, the ultimate crypto exchange for beginners and even pros alike. Whether you're just stepping into the crypto world or you are a seasoned trader, they really have something for everyone. So the question is, why should trader make the switch to the Bittap exchange? These are the offers that they have. One, they have blazing fast transaction because they understand that time is money. Two, referral and trading rebates are available, which makes you earn even more just by trading. Three, you have a thriving crypto community where you learn and discuss and grow with fellow traders alongside. And security is paramount, which you can trust that your funds is locked in tight. And also, they have exclusive rewards and education because knowledge equals profit. So the question is, how can you claim your share of the $10,000 base token? It's as simple as ABC. One, you sign up on the Bittap exchange, which obviously take less than a minute. All you need is your email address and a wonderful secure password. Secondly, you make your first trade, which is obviously easy peasy. And third, you invite your friends to get referral rewards, because the more you trade, the more you refer, the bigger your share of the reward. Now I'm going to be showing you a walkthrough to the mobile app and also the website. So let's get right into it. So I'll be navigating to the mobile app now so we can have a feel of how it works. So this is the Bittap app. So when you click on the app, you're going to land on this very interface. So you can click on get started, and basically it's a simple sign up process which you just require your email and your password, and also you can input your referral code, which you can see in the comment section right here. So I'm going to do that real quick. When that is done, click on sign up. So you complete the captcha, verification success, and you are good to go. So they'll be sending an email verification code directly to your email address. So you just have to go to your email and copy that code and paste it into the box, right? So I have it here. It's 92693. Alright, so we are in already. So this is how the interface looks like. So we have the home here, we have the markets, and we have your favorite, you have your sports markets, you have your futures, and you have all the new coins that are being traded live on the exchanges. So you can choose to navigate to sports, and now this is where you can toggle to see all the trading pairs that you want to trade. Now this is where you select your order type to either set limits, market order, and the rest. So this is where you put in your information, if the order price and also the quantity that you want to trade. And this is where you see your open order and your order history. So it's actually a wonderful interface. You can also see your view history here, and you are good to go. So this section is also for trading futures, those who trade cryptocurrency. Just like the spot section, you can see here you can change between cross or isolated mode while trading, and here is where you can change your leverage depending on the currency, and you can open long, which is your buying, and you can also open a short trade. And this is your wallet, where you can have an overview of all the cryptocurrency coins and assets that you have within your wallet. your sports and also your future. So let's go to your profile, and this is where you need to verify into your KYC. The restriction that you have on your account when you're not verified is that you're allowed to deposit, but the limit that you can withdraw without being verified is what? 2 BTC. But when you verify it, you can go as high as 10 BTC. Alright, so to verify, these are all the things you need: your ID number, your document type, country, region, first name, last name, date of death, and fill in the information. You upload your ID, and within 60 minutes you will be verified. We're going to see the features of this. We have Conquer with Bittap. We have 10,000 base plus by commission. Let's go through that. Your ultimately has crypto experience, so you can deposit, you can also trade on this platform. Now we see you can earn high commissions here. You can join, you can earn cash reward when you become an ambassador to this platform. Okay, you can also trade your cryptocurrency on this platform. And one important thing you need to know is that this exchange is supported in over 170 countries with over 70 cryptocurrency listed. You can buy, you can sell, you can trade futures, you can trade sports, and you can also earn commissions daily. Alright, you get to see market trends, product advantages, and you do your futures trading and also your sport trading on this platform. It is actually interesting. You also get access to educational resources. You get access to community engagements, and you interact with people, and also strategic partnership where you can collaborate with banks. Strategic partnerships where you can collaborate with banks, payment service providers, and project teams to provide diverse payments. And also you have exclusive new user benefits. You have top tier trading systems and top-notch risk control experts, and I think I will show you guys. Wow. Okay, now this is one of the features that actually interest me with this exchange is they have ultra fast market data. That means when you're making analysis regarding your cryptocurrency, you get real live data from them, and you also have access to educational resources on this platform. You get access to community engagement, strategic partnerships, exclusive new user benefits where you get rewards for trading, referral bonuses to encourage user participation on this exchange. You get top tier trading system, high speed matching engines to ensure seamless trading experiences. It's actually wonderful. Now you have top notch risk control on this platform. Rich product features where you have high leverage and multi-currency spot trading, fast deposits and withdrawals, which is beneficial for crypto traders. And you have excellent customer service, so in case you have any issue on the platform, you have questions regarding your wallet, whatsoever problem it is, they have excellent customer service. You have diverse trading tools where you have trading stop, you have limit order, market order, stop loss orders that would help every crypto trader to trade efficiently. Okay guys, this is the official website for Bittap. Different features here, market sports features, and also insurance payments. They're very similar to the mobile app. Then toggle even if you want the dark view or the light view. Okay, so obviously this is the crypto market today. You have icons if you want to trade any of the cryptos, and there are obviously endless opportunities you can play around with on this platform. So They are listed in 180 countries, 70 frequency listed, and yeah, see, right, so you can buy crypto, you can trade, and also you can earn commission using trade. Bittap is here. Bittap is, you have a spot, buy crypto, you have your market trend, you have your product language, you have features, you have sports. So as simple as it is, first and foremost, you create an account in any other form of bank, you explore the markets, make deposits, income. Using white choosers that have diverse trading tools, ultra fast market data, recognize sources, access to community engagement, strategic partnership. You have exclusive new user benefits, top tier trading system, top notch research, which programs features. You can trade on the go because they are available on Apple Store, they are available on Play Store, and they have APIs for this. So you guys can check it out. The link will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, you guys can check this. You guys can check Bittap out. The link is going to be in the description. The link will be in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.